everybody, and welcome back to a new moving vlog. So today it is Wednesday and today is keys day, and I am so excited because I am waiting on my dad so that we can go and get the keys for the apartment. So I'm super excited. I am 90% ready to move on ready to move out. If you haven't seen the first part of this moving process, I will link it down below. I filmed my packing and everything that I got for the kitchen, because I will need to buy, literally I'm starting from scratch, so I will need to buy everything for the apartment. If you want to go ahead and watch that vlog, you can click on the link below after you've finished watching this. But yeah, I'm going to get the keys. Tomorrow is a bank holiday, so I will continue packing. I cannot shop anymore, so I will have to wait for next week to continue shopping. Actually, I still need to pack a whole lot, but they're all going into suitcases, and I'm not like organizing things. It's like the big categories of clothes, shoes and bags. Shoes and bags are my pride possession, so I will take care of them. And everything will go into suitcases. It's not like, you know, the little things and the little categories that I have to put in different boxes, so it's much easier to pack that, in my opinion, and I will do that tomorrow hopefully. And yeah, I'm so excited to get the keys. I will show you the empty apartment. There's a little bit of furniture there. There's a little living room over there. They left it there for me. They said they own it and they would love to keep it for me, and I said yes, and so they didn't charge me for it or anything. So yeah, I mean, why not? It will save me from buying a couch and everything. And this is not like super long term or anything, so I think it's better that I don't invest in a couch right now. But yeah, I'm so freaking excited. I will show you the empty apartment really quickly. Hopefully there's enough light for you to see it, and yeah, let's go. Am I wearing the same PJs as the last video? Yes. Am I ashamed? No. This is just the moving reality, and also the moving reality. Today's goals, I have to pack all of my clothes, my shoes, and my bags. So yeah, I did have like a box of my winter shoes. I'm also not packing my winter clothes because it's huge, it takes a lot of space, and it's summer right now, so I would rather just take my summer clothing and just leave my winter clothing here at my parents' house, and then come back at, like, I don't know, in November or something to get back the winter clothing, because it's just huge and it's gonna take up so much space. There's no need for me to start with it, so I would rather just take my time to move and only take my summer clothing. But I did take my only take my summer clothing, but I did take my winter shoes. That's my point. But I have today I am packing in the suitcase. This is the current situation. It's the mess. It's the storm before whatever they say. So I have this huge suitcase. I'm going to pack everything in it. There's another suitcase inside. I'm going to use suitcases because it's just easier and it's better than boxes, because boxes, you know, I have to get big boxes. I don't want to, because then I will have to dispose of them, and it's just kind of annoying. But with my suitcases, I can just move, take off all my clothes from there, and then come back and like keep the suitcases in my parents' house. Okay, so I packed all of my summer clothes. Now on this medium suitcase, I'm going to be packing my jeans, pants, dresses over here that I don't use, and my PJs, summer PJs as well, because we are still not taking any winter things. And also I'm gonna pack my hats, bags, these shoes. Hopefully I have enough space. I think I will. So that everything clothing wise is done and over with, and I'm going to keep like some of these like regular t-shirts and stuff that I can take on a backpack, because I don't want to pack everything in case I'm going out, or I mean obviously I will need clothing, and if I have even more space, then I will add my notebooks over here, and also the makeup stand, makeup organizer. Ew! Oh my god, there's a spider! Shit! How do I kill that? Okay, I don't want to deal with it, so I'm just gonna take this out, and then I'm gonna let it live for a second. All right, guys, I think I'm almost done. So, wait, where is it? This is the current situation. A whole lot of mess and a whole lot of trash, but this is all empty. Don't mind the mug and the bowls. They're going into this box because the only thing that's left right now is my kitchen appliances that I actually own, not the ones that I bought. Like my mugs, my coffee machines, I have two, I have a couple mugs, I have some mason jars, stuff like that, and the food in my pantry that I keep in my parents' kitchen. So yeah, I think that's it. Right now I'm going to pack this ring light right here, and I'm cleaning. If I'm cleaning, that means that I'm done, and I'm really excited for it. I ended up having a third suitcase for clothing, and I didn't know I owned so much clothing, just summer clothing. It took me 3 suitcases for summer clothing, and I didn't know I owned so much. But I'm very glad that I'm all packed up. Hello everybody, and welcome back to the next day, or the next day. I'm not going to vlog here because it's echoey, but I am in my apartment. Finally, I'm going to be unpacking today. I didn't vlog yesterday. I just spent a lot of time with my family, and I didn't do anything regarding the moving or regarding the packing. I just took a day off basically. And today I brought all of my stuff. I still have a suitcase and a couple bags at home. I'm not spending the night today here because I just want to clean the apartment. It's very dusty, and I want it to be crystal clear for me to unpack and everything. So I'm not unpacking, but I did unpack the ring light because shawty gotta have some social content. And this is all the stuff that I bought, or that I brought. All of these boxes right here, all of these 2 little things that I, you know, with everything that I bought last week. I went to the store actually, and I got some smoked turkey, some cheese, and some bread, just to put, you know, something in my belly. I don't want to die. But I also bought this one. So now that I need to say bought, I'm saying brought. Anyway, moving on. This is not I'm super tired today. But I found this little thing here, this tray, and I really liked it. And you can have like 2 plates on it, or you can have all 3 of them. And I thought it was cute for, you know, I don't know how I have like party stuff, and I legit don't think I have regular plates or bowls. So that says a lot about me. This living room here is not mine, it's the owner's. And so they left it here for me. They said that I can use it, so they left it here for me. This table as well. And then those nightstands over there, which I don't think I like, and I don't think I'm going to use. But I'm bringing all of this over here so that I can clean under this. I'm pretty sure it's very dusty, and then clean, you know, the floors and everything. And then I'm gonna move on to the kitchen, and then I'm gonna move on to the bedroom. That is very, sorry, it's very echoey. but I'm very excited about the space that I have in the closet. I think it's a lot of space, enough space. This is for all, I think I can even have both of my seasons in one closet if I add one of those here, but we will see if I can do that or not. And also all of these drawers and these shelves, I think I have enough for all of my clothing. And then I'm gonna move on obviously to the back. So progress number one is the living room. I finished it. As you guys saw, I removed everything. I cleaned the floor, and I also changed the way the living room was set up. So this little furniture piece was in the corner, but I really like to hang out in corners. I think it's really cozy, and I just kind of see myself, I can't breathe. I see myself cozying up in that corner and just watching the TV here. So I made that my corner. So I kind of changed everything and then put that over there for the meantime. If I like it there, then it's gonna stay there, or maybe it's gonna come to this corner later on. Depends on what I'm doing with this space. You guys, I am done cleaning. Oh my God, before you say it or you think it, I'm gonna say it. I look like shit. Can you tell I'm really fucking tired? I'm so tired. My lower back hurts. I'm on my period, which is TMI, but I don't think it's awkward to talk about periods. But I'm so dead, but also so satisfied because everything is clean. The whole floor is clean. The only part that's not like completely swept is under the boxes, because I figured if I kept like moving them and stuff, it's going to be, first of all, a lot on my back, and second of all, it's just gonna create a mess. So I was like, you know what, when I'm going to unpack one thing after the other, I'm going to pick things from this space, from whatever I have, and just put it in, whether if it's for the kitchen, I'm gonna put it in the kitchen, if it's for the bedroom, I'm gonna put it in the bedroom, and so on and so forth. Okay, so before I leave, I just want to show you trash bag. I put everything where it's supposed to be. I have the mixer, I have everything from, kitchen wise, I have this beautiful trash can. I love it when, I love it when stainless steel is clean and new. Beautiful. Anyway, oh, and did I show you what this used to look like? Amazing. And then I put everything that has anything to do with my clothes, shoes, and also beauty products, because I still don't know, you know, the drawers where I have my makeup and everything, it's in that bag. This is makeup as well and everything beauty. So I'm not sure how I'm going to organize everything, but I'm thinking that this space is to be utilized, obviously, and also this space if I don't use everything for my shoes. I don't know what I'm going to put in there because it's so high that I can't reach it. So we will figure it out. I will come back tomorrow. Yes, I'm still I'm still looking a little questionable, but I'm going to come back tomorrow. I'm so fucking hungry. I haven't had anything to eat but that little sandwich, that little miserable sandwich that I had. And yeah, I'm going back home right now to my parents' house, have a good ass meal, have a good ass sleep, and then tomorrow I will come back here and just take my time, you know, with organizing everything and chilling. Oh, and I need to edit the first part of my moving because it has to go up tomorrow on Monday. So yeah. What's up? I forgot to end this vlog right here, so I'm doing it right now. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Be right here every single Monday there's going to be a new video. I hope you enjoyed this vlog, and I will see you in the next one. Don't forget to subscribe and like. It really helps out, and I will see you guys next time.